Welcome back to another exciting episode of Inspirational Minds. Today, we're diving into the life and legacy of one of Africa's literary giants, Professor Chinua Achebe. Join us as we uncover the extraordinary journey of this influential writer, set against the backdrop of significant historical events. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating stories. Let's get started. Chinua Achebe's early life and education, 1930s to 1940s. Chinua Achebe was born on November 16, 1930, in Ogidai, Nigeria, during a time when colonial rule had a firm grip on the African continent. His parents were Isaiah Okofo Achebe and Janet Aneneki Iloegbunam. Achebe was the fifth of 6 children in the family. He began his early schooling at St. Philip's Central School in Ogidai, where he was exposed to both traditional Igbo culture and the Western